How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add the Luminar Neo plugin to Adobe Photoshop. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 50% off your very first 1-year subscription with Skylum. So you can find the link for that in the description down below. And as an added bonus, we'll also be giving you guys 10 euros off of the many components that you use in skylum. So this is also achievable with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. So with all that said, back to the video. So there are actually two ways to do this, and if you guys already have both softwares, you would know that upon installing Luminar Neo, like I have here, there is a window that would prompt you to add the plugin to Adobe Photoshop. So what you would want to do there is basically make sure that the boxes are ticked, and upon installation, you should have the plugin installed into your Adobe Photoshop. And to use it is quite simple. Anytime you import a photo or some assets to Adobe Photoshop, there should be an option to actually use the Luminar Neo plugin there. And to do so is quite simple. As you guys can see here, step 1, all you have to do is open Adobe Photoshop, import the photo that you'd like to enhance, and under the filters tab, you basically follow this path here. So filter, skylum software, Luminar Neo. So a quick intermission here. As I've said at the start of this video, we'll be giving away 50% off your very first 1-year subscription with skylum. And as an added bonus, we'll also be giving you guys 10 euros off of the many components that you use in skylum. So you can do that with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. And with all of that said, back to the video. Now, you need to make sure that the Luminar Neo software is running, like I do here. And when it's running, you guys should get all of the features that are offered in Luminar Neo to use in Photoshop. So it reads, Luminar Neo should automatically open when you were editing, and if needed, click the Luminar Neo icon in your dock or taskbar to switch to it. And here you can make any edits or adjustments to the photo or asset that you're working on using Luminar Neo's features. And when you're done, hit apply and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically how we do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. And lastly, once again, before we end the video here, if you guys are still interested in getting Skylum or Luminar Neo, we will be providing a 50% discount code down in the description below for your very first 1-year subscription. And also, there will be a 10 euro discount for the many components offered by Skylum and Luminar Neo. So you can do this with the personal discount code, which can also be found in the description down below. So if you guys are still interested, be sure to use the links and the discount code down in the description down below.